Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepard Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, November 8th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast is muffin and yogurt. For lunch is a steak sandwich. Tomorrow for breakfast, ham and cheese croissant, and for lunch, pizza. Today's announcements. Please post your attendance. Copies. Please be mindful of your copier usage and use print shop as you plan in advance. Be sure to stop by Ms. Horton's room and sign off after you have voted for the proposed budget. Also, math chats are available. It looks like it cut it off my screen. Sorry about that. But math chats are available, and if you want more information about those, that was listed in Ms. Linscomb's Friday Focus. So check that for more information. Today's late duty is Ms. Overstreet. Tomorrow, Ms. Cunningham. The 10th will be Ms. Clark, and Friday will be Ms. Battaglia. The word of the day is point. A point is an exact location in space represented by a dot. Most of the time, just like in this example, the points are named by a letter. So right here, the blue point is point A, the red point is point D, and the purple point is point M. A point is just one exact location. Important dates. November 8th, which is today, K through 2 will be in PD from 3:30 to 4:30 this afternoon. I'm not exactly sure of the location yet, but that will be with Miss Mullen. November 10th, Reading and Math PLTs. November 11th, No School for Veterans Day. November 12th is World Kindness Day. I'm so excited to see all the awesome things we are going to do for World Kindness Day. Also, the budget survey is due. November 18th, we have a HMH representative on campus. November 22nd through the 26th is Thanksgiving break, and December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences, so make sure you have had your partnership conference and you have your paperwork turned in. So, congratulations. This is a little bit late, I think, but I think I missed it a week or two ago, so I wanted to make sure that these folks get recognized. Congratulations to our Pumpkin Book Character Contest winners. We had 80 amazing pumpkins turned in this year. That is crazy. Thank you to all who participated. Our first place winner is Jasper Beard. Second place, Joe Ari Vega. Third place, Blaze Rich. Honorable mention winners were Gabby Sewell, Clemmy Garrick, and Madison Dubose. Also, shout out to Miss Stephanie Green for donating some pizza coupons to our winners. So we had tons and tons of awesome pumpkins. It was so hard to choose our winners because they were all so awesome. But so here are our top winners, and thank you to everyone who entered a pumpkin. Next, we have our iReady Stars of the Week. Super excited to see some new faces and new names on here. Some classes took this as a challenge, and I'm excited about it. So, in kindergarten first, our top student was Rafat Muthana, and our top class was Miss Shaver's class. In second and third, our top student is Avari Daniels, and our top class, again, is Miss Bertolino's class. That class is hard to beat, looks like. In grade 4th and 5th, Miss Wolf's class is on top again, and our top student is Xavieron Magruder. So, great job. Exciting to see some new names and new faces on there. So, challenge is on again this week. Who's going to be our iReady Stars? We also have some AR Superstars that have met their quarter goal. In Miss Arch's class, Jalen Shannon and Maya Tedla. Miss Duber's class, Cameron Anderson. Miss Heichman's class, Madison Dubose. Miss Hogan's class, Gavin Berry, Jace Bryant, Bailey Dortch, and Madison Johnson. In Miss Langford's class, Jordan Turner. Peralta has Riley Thompson. Miss Shaver's class, Devin Claycamp, Cohen Doe, and Logan Rice. In Miss Wolf's class, Antoinette Quaylar and Hayden O'Kane. Miss Smith will be around with a cart this morning for your prizes. Good job, guys. All right, it's our favorite time, positive office referrals. So, these are some kids who were caught being great. We have Jackson Pitts and Maddie Breland from Miss Lee's room. We have Tamia Harden, and we have Brooks Christian. We have Courtney Roberson and Raymond Brown, 2 more kindergarten friends that were being awesome. We have Zimmy Mahan and Sarah, also from kindergarten, that were being great. We have Shataraji Lewis, and we have London Ferguson, who are doing awesome things. We have Mr. Amerson, TJ Amerson, and James Sewell, Charlize Barton, and Kylie Carter. We have Gabby Morris, and we have Kenneth Johnson. We have Hayden Brown and Naomi Knock. Both got referred to the office for being fantastic. Kylie James and Doriana Williams. We have Kimora Johnson, and we have 2 sweet brothers who both got positive office referrals and wanted to take a picture together. Cohen Doe and Rowan Doe. Awesome job, all of you. We have Johnny Ramos and Antoinette Quaylar, and Gabriel Spillers and Naomi Howell. We have Mercedes Robinson and Frederick Grayer. And last, but certainly not least, we have Ariana Hadley. So Ariana is being super sweet over there in 4th grade, along with lots of other kiddos. Tons of positive office referrals. That means we have some great things and some great kiddos happening here at Kate Shepherd, and that is always a great way to start our week. So that's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.